Chapter 5 Working with Mouse. Topics covered: Parts of a mouse, mouse pointer, how to hold the mouse, using a mouse, parts of a mouse, left button, wire, mouse pad, scroll wheel, right button. The button on the left side of the mouse is called the left mouse button. The button that lies to the right side of the mouse is called the right mouse button. The small wheel in between the left and right buttons is the scroll wheel. It has a wire-like tail, which is fixed to the CPU cabinet. A mouse is always kept on a mouse pad. Cyber tidbits. A mouse without a wire is called a wireless mouse. Mouse pointer. When we move the mouse, an arrow moves along it on the computer screen. It is called a pointer. A pointer represents the mouse position on the screen. We can change the shape of the pointer as per our choice. Here are some different shapes in which we can see the mouse pointer. How to hold the mouse. A mouse is operated using 2 fingers. Look at the given picture. Place your index finger on the left mouse button. Place your middle finger on the right mouse button. Hold the mouse gently with the rest of your fingers. Tip. In case you are a left-hand user, change the setting of the mouse and replace the functions of both mouse buttons. We should know how to hold a mouse properly to do different tasks on the computer. Using a mouse. Pointing with the mouse. When we bring the mouse pointer over the icons on the screen, it is called pointing. Clicking with the mouse. Pressing the left mouse button once is called clicking. The mouse makes a clicking sound when we press and release its button. Double-clicking the mouse. When we press and release the left mouse button twice quickly, it is called double-clicking the mouse. Dragging the mouse. When the mouse is moved by keeping the left mouse button pressed for a long time, it is known as dragging. We will learn more about the activities done using a mouse in higher classes.